What's going on, YouTube? This is Country Coder. I want to welcome you back to my channel. If this is your first time here, I want to welcome you to my channel, and I hope you'll enjoy the content that I have for you. Well, in today's video, I'm actually going to give you a sneak peek of the next 3 videos that will be coming out for my trip on the Natchez Trace. Due to recording for 5 hours a day and also recording multiple angles, I just wasn't ready for a video to come out yet, and it's just one of those where I want to make sure I capture everything I want to capture, but also trying to condense it down to, you know, the 15 to 25 minute timeline that I really kind of like to be around. So anyway, I hope you enjoy this sneak peek of the next 3 videos, and I will see you next week on the next video. So as you can see with the 360 camera, now I can see above me, you can see me, and we can see in front of each other. So I think this 360 camera is going to be pretty cool once I get it figured out. Alright, YouTube, I just ran into 3 gentlemen that are also riding the Natchez Trace, and they're all the way here from Washington, and they're doing the 4 corners of the United States. So
yep, Mississippi definitely has a lot of beavers. And the Native Americans use their beaver pelts a lot. You know, they're actually pretty big animals, but they used them a lot to, you know, make fur hides and everything else. So it's not really that surprising to me that they have a display here for the beavers.
you know what all I found up here, because this is actually a overlook point, and it does have a pretty view. I have to admit that.
You a little wet this morning?
Not yet. It's one of those where I have come from Jackson, and I stopped here because it was supposed to start raining, and so far it hadn't rained, but I kept looking at the radar. It looks like it's good from here on up to Tupelo. So
this is the actual burial site of Mayweather Lewis.
and there's the big one. There you go. Pretty good ways down here.